Welcome back, my amazing seniors. This is day 14 of our 60-day fitness series for seniors over 60. If you're new here, start from day 1 and join our growing community of active seniors. All you need today is a sturdy chair, a smile, and your energy. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Chair, sit, and stand, 50 reps. Now, seniors, let us begin with our first exercise, the chair, sit, and stand. This movement is simple yet one of the most powerful exercises for improving leg strength and balance. It helps you maintain independence, enhances stability, and keeps your thigh and knee joints active. Before we begin, make sure you have a sturdy chair placed behind you. The chair should not roll or move. Sit comfortably with your feet flat on the floor, knees at a 90-degree angle, and your hands resting on your thighs. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, slowly stand up straight. Keep your back tall, chest open, and avoid leaning too far forward. Now gently sit back down, controlling your movement as if you are lowering yourself into the chair. Each time you stand and sit, you are building power in your legs and improving your balance. This exercise will also help reduce the risk of falls and keep your lower body flexible. We will do 50 repetitions together. Stay with me and keep moving at your own pace. Remember, you are not in a hurry. Slow and steady wins this race. Let us begin our count together. 1, very nice. 2, keep your back straight. 3, great posture. 4, feel the strength in your legs. 5, steady and controlled. 6, do not forget to breathe. 7, excellent. 8, slow and strong. 9, chest up. 10, keep it up. 11, you are doing beautifully. 12, very good. 13, smooth motion. 14, balance your weight evenly. 15, breathe in, breathe out. 16, halfway to 32. 17, nice rhythm. 18, shoulders relaxed. 19, push through gently. 20, fantastic job. 21, we are getting stronger. 22, stay tall. 23, keep smiling. 24, wonderful energy. 25, halfway there, how are you feeling? 26, keep breathing deeply. 27, do not stop now. 28, I can see your progress. 29, you are amazing. 30, strong posture. 31, steady steps. 32, proud of you. 33, excellent pace. 34, stay focused. 35, almost there. 36, legs getting stronger. 37, good control. 38, feel that power. 39, you are unstoppable. 40, breathe and smile. 41, stay confident. 42, nearly done. 43, your thighs are working great. 44, keep moving. 45, fantastic. 46, last few. 47, push gently. 48, almost finished. 49, just one more. 50, and relax. Excellent job, my strong seniors. How are you feeling, my friends? Take a deep breath, loosen your shoulders, and tell me in the comments, from which country are you watching today? I love seeing our senior family from all around the world. Exercise 2, seated leg raises, 50 reps each leg. All right, my strong seniors, now that your legs are warmed up from the chair, sit and stand, let us move to our second exercise, seated leg raises. This movement strengthens your knees, improves blood flow, and helps you walk and climb stairs with more ease. It is gentle but very effective, especially for those who may have stiff joints or mild knee pain. Please sit comfortably on your chair, keeping your back straight and your hands on the sides of the chair for balance. Both of your feet should be flat on the floor. Now, slowly lift your right leg straight forward until it is parallel to the ground. Hold it there for 2 seconds, then lower it down gently. Excellent. Now switch to your left leg and repeat the same motion. Make sure you are breathing steadily. Inhale when you lift and exhale when you lower your leg. This simple breathing rhythm helps you stay calm and strengthens your focus. We will do 50 repetitions in total, alternating legs. Move with me and count aloud. We are in this together. 1. Right leg up, nice and steady. 2. Lower it slowly. 3. Switch to the left leg. 4. Hold that leg strong. 5. Great job. 6. Keep breathing deeply. 7. Feel that stretch. 8. Nice rhythm. 9. You are doing fantastic. 10. Keep your posture tall. 11. Right leg up again. 12. Lower down gently. 13. Left leg up. 14. Controlled motion. 15. Breathe in and out. 16. Keep smiling. 17. You are doing amazing. 18. Stay focused. 19. Strong legs build confidence. 20. Beautiful effort. 21. Halfway there. Keep going. 22. Breathe and lift. 23. You are stronger than you think. 24. Great control. 25. Right leg up high. 26. Left leg, perfect form. 27. Steady pace. 28. Almost there. 29. Your knees are getting stronger. 30. Wonderful energy. 31. Keep that lift smooth. 32. Keep moving. 33. Right leg up again. 34. Slow and steady. 35. You are doing beautifully. 36. Strong body, strong mind. 37. Keep pushing. 38. You are inspiring others. 39. Feel that gentle burn. 40. Take a deep breath. 41. Great progress. 42. Nearly done. 43. Legs getting stronger. 44. Smooth motion. 45. Almost to the finish line. 46. Keep lifting. 47. Stay with me. 48. Wonderful control. 49. Just one more. 50. And relax. Fantastic work, my strong seniors. You are doing amazing, my friends. This exercise keeps your knees healthy and improves blood circulation. If you completed all 50 repetitions, write, "I did it," in the comments and share this video with your senior friends so they can join your daily fitness journey too. Exercise 3, side leg taps, 50 reps each side. All right, my strong and graceful seniors, it is time for our third and final exercise of the day, side leg taps. This one is wonderful for improving your hip mobility and balance, which are essential for maintaining stability as we move through our daily lives. Strong hips help you stand, walk, and climb stairs safely, while also keeping your lower body flexible and strong. Now, please stand behind your chair and hold it lightly with both hands. Your chair is here to give you support and confidence, not to carry your weight. Keep your back straight, your shoulders relaxed, and your head up. Gently lift your right leg to the side, just as high as feels comfortable. Do not strain or force it. Slowly bring it back to the starting position. Then switch to your left leg and repeat the same motion. We will do this exercise for 50 repetitions in total, alternating sides. Move gently, breathe deeply, and feel the strength building in your hips and legs. You are doing this for your health, your balance, and your independence. Let us begin. Nice and easy, my friends. 1. Right leg out gently. 2. Return slowly. 3. Left leg up. 4. Steady and smooth. 5. Good job. 6. Keep breathing. 7. Chest up, shoulders down. 8. Slow and balanced. 9. Perfect rhythm. 10. Feel that gentle stretch. 11. Great focus. 12. Right leg strong. 13. Left leg control. 14. Excellent work. 15. Breathe in and out. 16. Smooth motion. 17. You are doing wonderful. 18. Balance is improving. 19. Stay steady. 20. Strong and confident. 21. Right leg out again. 22. Left leg follows. 23. You are doing great. 24. Gentle and slow. 25. Halfway there, take a deep breath. How are you feeling today on day 14? Tell me in the comments. 26. Keep that posture tall. 27. Feel the hips working. 28. Nice control. 29. Beautiful movement. 30. Breathe and smile. 31. We are getting stronger. 32. Hold that leg steady. 33. Amazing progress. 34. Your balance looks great. 35. Keep moving, do not stop. 36. Gentle lift. 37. Slow and steady wins. 38. Wonderful focus. 39. Nearly done. 40. Strong and smooth. 41. Right leg again. 42. Left leg again. 43. Legs feeling stronger. 44. Great determination. 45. Almost there. 46. Keep breathing. 47. Push gently. 48. Nice rhythm. 49. One more to go. 50. And relax, my strong seniors. Excellent work. Beautiful effort, everyone. You have completed all 50 repetitions of side leg taps. This movement keeps your hips flexible and your legs strong. Both are key to living confidently. If you finished all repetitions, comment below, "I completed day 14," and share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can stay active with you. See you tomorrow for day 15. Stay strong, stay happy, and keep moving. Beautiful work today. You've completed day 14 of our 60-day series. If you finished all 3 exercises, write in the comments, "I did it." Don't forget to share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so you can stay healthy and strong together. See you tomorrow for day 15. Stay active, stay young, and keep smiling.